Hello students of class 5th. Today we will discuss question number 4 of exercise 7F. A part 4 minus 3 upon 7. 4 upon 1 minus 3 upon 7. Let us change the given fractions into like fractions with the common denominator 7. So we have to make common denominator 7. So in 4 upon 1 we will multiply it by 7 in both numerator and denominator. We will get 28 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7. So is equal to 28 minus 3 upon 7 is equal to 25 upon 7. और 25 अपॉन 7 को जब हम मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा 3:4 अपॉन 7. दिस विल बी योर आंसर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 बी पार्ट 3:4 अपॉन 15 minus 7 upon 5. First of all we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 15 multiplied by 3 plus 4 upon 15 minus 7 upon 15. 49 upon 15 minus 7 upon 15. Let us change the given fractions into like fractions with the common denominator 15. 49 upon 15 minus 7 upon 5. So in 7 upon 5 we have to make 15 in the denominator. Therefore we have to multiply it with 3 in both numerator and denominator. We will get 21 upon 15. So 49 upon 15 minus 21 upon 15 is equal to 49 minus 21 upon 15 is equal to 28 upon 15. और 28 upon 15 को जब हम मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा 1:13 upon 15. इट विल बी योर आंसर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 सी पार्ट 3:16 upon 21 minus 2:9 upon 24. First of all we have to convert these mixed fractions into improper fraction. 21 multiplied by 3 plus 16 upon 21 minus 24 multiplied by 2 plus 9 upon 24. Now this will become 79 upon 21 minus 57 upon 24. So 79 upon 21 minus 57 upon 24. So in 57 upon 24 we will divide numerator and denominator by 3. So it will becomes 79 upon 21 minus 19 upon 8. Let us change the given fractions into like fractions with the common denominator 168. Because LCM of 21 and 8 is 168. The difference is equal to difference of LCM of the denominator which is 168 divided by denominator of the first fraction which is 21 multiply by numerator of the first fraction which is 79 minus 168 which is LCM of the denominator divided by denominator of the second fraction multiply it by numerator of the second fraction, and this whole will be divided by LCM of the denominator which is 168. We will get 632 minus 399 upon 168 is equal to 233 upon 168. It will becomes 1:65 upon 168. It will be your answer. Now question number 7 B part 10 minus 4:2 upon 15. So 4:2 upon 15 को हम improper fraction में क्या करेंगे लिखेंगे. किस तरीके से लिखेंगे 15 multiplied by 4 plus 2 upon 15. 60 plus 2 upon 15. It will become 62 upon 15. So 10 minus 62 upon 15 को हमें क्या करना है सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो इसमें हम क्या करेंगे जो फ्रैक्शंस हैं उनको लाइक फ्रैक्शन में चेंज कर लेंगे विद द कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर 15। हमें डिनोमिनेटर में क्या बनाना है, 15 बनाना है। तो 10/1 को देखेंगे, इसमें 15 की मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे इन बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर। इट विल बिकम्स 150/15 माइनस 62/15 is equal to 150 minus 62/15. It will becomes 88/15 is equal to 5:13/15. It will be your answer. Now question number 12. Subtract 13/15 minus 32/75. Let us change the fractions into like fraction with the common denominator 75. So in 13/15 we will multiply the numerator and denominator by 5 minus 32/75 is equal to 65/75 minus 32/75 is equal to 65 minus 32/75 is equal to 33/75. We will divide numerator and denominator by 3. It will becomes 11/25. Now question number 14. Now question number 14. 8 minus 3/10 is equal to 8/1 minus 3/10. Let us change the given fractions into like fractions with the common denominator 10. So we will multiply by 10 in both numerator and denominator in 8/1 minus 3/8 is equal to 80/10 minus 3/10. It will becomes 8 minus 3/10. Sorry, 80 minus 3/10. So it will become 77/10. और 77/10 को जब हम मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में लिखेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा, 7:7/10. इट विल बी योर आंसर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. 5:13/18 minus 5:4/27. 18 multiplied by 5 plus 13/18 minus 27 multiplied by 5 plus 4/27. It will becomes 103/18 minus 139/27. We will take the LCM of 18 and 27, which is equal to 54. Now we will change the given fractions into like fractions with the common denominator 54. 103/18, we will multiply it by 3 in both numerator and denominator. It becomes 309/54 minus 139/27. We will multiply it by 2 in both numerator and denominator because we have to make 54 in the denominator. So 309/54 minus 278/54 is equal to 309 minus 278/54. It becomes 31/54. Now question number 17. 21:9/10 minus 16. Let us change the given fractions into like fractions with the common denominator 10. So 21 multiplied by 10 plus 9/10 minus 16. It becomes 219/10 minus 16/1. So in 16/1 we will multiply the numerator and denominator by 10 is equal to 219/10 minus 160/10. 219 minus 160/10 is equal to 59/10, and after converting it into the mixed fraction it becomes 5:9/10. So this will be your answer. Now we will discuss another concept which is called as simplification. So we have to simplify 8/11 minus 4/11 plus 9/11 minus 2/11. तो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में हम क्या करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, हम जो सब्ट्रैक्ट वाले जो फ्रैक्शंस हैं उनका क्या कर देते हैं, सम कर देते हैं। तो वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द सम ऑफ माइनस नंबर्स फ्रॉम द सम ऑफ अदर नंबर्स। तो हम इसको ऐसे लिख लेंगे 8/11 प्लस 9/11, ये एक ब्रैकेट में आ जाएगा, माइनस 4/11 प्लस 2/11। अब 11 यहाँ पर एलसीएम आ जाएगा, ऊपर क्या आ जाएगा, सम ऑफ न्यूमरेटर्स 8 + 9 माइनस नीचे क्या आ जाएगा, कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर 11, ऊपर क्या आ जाएगा, सम ऑफ न्यूमरेटर्स 4 + 2 विच इज़ इक्वल टू 6। तो 17/11 माइनस 6/11 इज इक्वल टू 11/11 विच इज़ इक्वल टू 1। नाउ वी हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई। We will take another example of simplification. 9 minus 3 is to 1/8 minus 4 is to 5/12. 9 minus 8 multiplied by 3 plus 1/8 minus 12 multiplied by 4 plus 5/12. It becomes 9 minus 25/8 minus 53/12. तो 8 और 12 के क्या लिख लीजिए, मल्टीपल्स लिख लीजिए। 8, 16, 24, 32, 40। 12 के क्या कर लीजिए, मल्टीपल्स लिख लीजिए। 12, 24, 36, 48, 60। इसमें कॉमन मल्टीपल क्या आया, 24। तो एलसीएम क्या आ जाएगा, 8 और 12 का 24 आ जाएगा। इसमें आप फॉर्मूला लगा दीजिए, एलसीएम ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर divided by denominator multiplied by numerator of the first fraction minus LCM of the denominator divided by denominator multiplied by numerator of the second fraction minus LCM of the denominator divided by denominator multiplied by numerator of the third fraction। तो 9 minus 25/8 minus 53/12 का क्या आंसर हो जाएगा। सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे, एलसीएम ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर लिख देंगे विच इज़ इक्वल टू 24 डिवाइडेड बाई डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन विच इज़ 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई न्यूमरेटर ऑफ द फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन विच इज़ 9 माइनस LCM of the denominator which is equal to 24 divided by denominator of the second fraction multiplied by numerator of the second fraction। And now we will look upon the third fraction which is 53/12। So first of all write down LCM of the denominator which is 24 divided by denominator of the third fraction which is equal to 12 and numerator of the third fraction which is equal to 53 divided by LCM of the denominator which is equal to 24। 216 minus 75 minus 106 upon 24 is equal to 216 minus 181 upon 24 is equal to 35/24 is equal to 1:11/24. This will be your answer. Now we will discuss exercise 7G. First question is of simplification. C part 3:7/12 plus 1:7/12 minus 5/12. So 3:7/12 को जब हम इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा, 43/12 प्लस 19/12 प्लस वो माइनस 5/12। तो ये जो दे रखा है 1:7/12 इसको भी हम इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे। क्या आ जाएगा, 12 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 1 प्लस 7/12 इट विल बिकम्स 19/12। अब क्या कर देंगे, एलसीएम यहाँ पर क्या कैसा है, सेम है। तो एलसीएम ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर इज 12। नाउ 43 प्लस 19 माइनस 5 we will write in the numerator। तो 62 minus we will add these two, 43 plus 19 it becomes 62। 62 minus 5/12 is equal to 57/12। Now we will divide it. We divide numerator and denominator by 3 because we have to reduce it into the lowest term. So it will becomes 19 upon 4. So 19 अपॉन 4 को जब हम मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में क्या करेंगे, कन्वर्ट करेंगे, तो ये क्या आ जाएगा 4:3 अपॉन 4. इट विल बी दी आंसर. नाउ ए पार्ट 3 upon 7 plus 5 upon 7 minus 4 upon 7. We will take simple question now for simplification. Here we will take the LCM. LCM of the denominator is 7. So it will comes in denominator, and in numerator we will write 3 plus 5 minus 4. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 8 minus 4 upon 7. We will write down the answer as 4 upon 7. Now second question, B part. 4:5 upon 12 minus 5:1 upon 14 plus 2. First of all, we have to convert it into the improper fractions. 21 multiplied by 4 plus 5 upon 12 minus 14 multiplied by 5 plus 1 upon 14 plus 2 upon 1. 89 upon 21 minus 71 upon 14 plus 2 upon 1. So here we will put the values of numerators, denominators and LCM of the denominators in this formula. So we will get LCM of the denominator as 42 divided by denominator of the first fraction, which is 21, multiplied by numerator of the first fraction, which is 89, minus 42. This is the LCM of the denominator, divided by 14 is the denominator of the second fraction, multiplied by numerator of the second fraction, that is 71, plus 42 is the LCM of the denominator divided by 1. This is the denominator of the third fraction multiplied by numerator of the third fraction, which is equal to 2, divided by LCM of the denominator, which is equal to 42. So this will becomes 178 minus 213 plus 84 upon 42. 262 minus 213 upon 42 is equal to 49 upon 42. Now we will divide it by 7 in both numerator and denominator. It becomes 7 upon 6. So after converting it into mixed fraction, we will get our answer 1:1 upon 6. Like this we will solve other questions also. Now A part, 5 minus 1 upon 6 plus 2:1 upon 3. So 2:1 upon 3 को स्टूडेंट्स हम इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कर लेंगे. तो ये क्या आ जाएगा 5 minus 1 upon 6 plus 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 upon 3, which is equal to 7 upon 3. So क्वेश्चन कैसा हो जाएगा 5 minus 1 upon 6 plus 7 upon 3. LCM of the denominator is 6. 5 minus 1 upon 6 plus 7 upon 3 is equal to, we will put the values of LCM of the denominator and numerator in this formula. So let's start. We will take the first fraction, which is 5 upon 1. So LCM of the denominator is 6 divided by denominator of the first fraction, which is equal to 1, multiplied by numerator of the first fraction, which is equal to 5, minus denominator of the LCM of the denominator, which is equal to 6, divided by denominator of the second fraction, which is equal to 6, multiplied by numerator of the second fraction, which is equal to 1, plus LCM of the denominator, which is equal to 6, divided by denominator of the third fraction, which is equal to 3, multiplied by numerator of the third fraction, which is equal to 7, divided by LCM of the denominator, which is equal to 6. So it becomes 30 minus 1 plus 14 upon 6 which is equal to 43 upon 6. So 43 upon 6 को जब हम मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा 7:1 upon 6. This will be your answer. Now question number 3 C part. 11:1 upon 2 minus 5:1 upon 4 minus 3:1 upon 8. So by converting these mixed fractions into improper fraction, we will write it as like this: 11 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus 4 multiplied by 5 plus 1 upon 4 minus 8 multiplied by 3 plus 1 upon 8. So this will becomes 23 upon 2 minus 21 upon 4 minus 25 upon 8. LCM of the denominator is 8. So we have to make 8 in the denominators. Therefore 23 upon 2 में हम 4 की मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में, तो डिनोमिनेटर क्या हो जाएगा 8, न्यूमरेटर क्या हो जाएगा 92 माइनस 21 अपॉन 4. इसमें हमें 8 बनाना है डिनोमिनेटर में, तो हम क्या करेंगे 4 की मल्टीप्लाई 2 से करेंगे और 21 की मल्टीप्लाई भी हम 2 से कर देंगे. जो काम हम डिनोमिनेटर में करेंगे वही काम हम न्यूमरेटर में करेंगे. तो क्या आ जाएगा 42 अपॉन 8, और इसके अंदर डिनोमिनेटर 8 एज इट इज़ है तो हम इसको एज इट इज़ लिख देंगे 25 अपॉन 8. तो अब क्या करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव टू सॉल्व 92 अपॉन 8, 42 अपॉन 8 एंड 25 अपॉन 8. So we will take the LCM which is equal to 8. 92 minus 42 minus 25 is equal to 92 minus 67 upon 8 which is equal to 25 upon 8 which is equal to 3:1 upon 8. It will be your answer. Now third question A part. 10 minus 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 8. LCM of the denominator is 8. 10 minus 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 8 is equal to LCM of the denominator which is equal to 8 divided by denominator of the first fraction which is equal to 1 multiplied by numerator of the first fraction which is equal to 10 minus LCM of the denominator is equal to 8 divided by denominator of the second fraction which is equal to 4 multiplied by numerator of the second fraction which is equal to 3 minus LCM of the denominator which is equal to 8 divided by denominator of the third fraction which is equal to 8 multiplied by numerator of the third fraction which is equal to 5 upon LCM of the denominator which is equal to 8. So this will be equal to 80 minus 6 minus 5 upon 8 which is equal to 80 minus 11 upon 8 is equal to 69 upon 8 is equal to, when we convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, it becomes 8:5 upon 8. This will be your answer. Now question number 4. 3 upon 13 plus 1:5 upon 26 plus 2:7 upon 39. How to solve this kind of problems? Let's discuss. 3 upon 13 plus 26 multiplied by 1 plus 5 upon 26 plus 39 multiplied by 2 plus 7 upon 39. So this will becomes 3 upon 13 plus 31 upon 26 plus 85 upon 39. Now LCM of the denominator is 78. Now we will put the values in the formula which is known as sum of LCM of the denominator divided by denominator multiplied by numerator of the fraction divided by LCM of the denominator. So here are 3 fractions. So we will write this formula and put the values in all the 3 brackets, and the formula will be the same. So it will become 78 This is LCM of the denominator divided by denominator of the first fraction, which is equal to 13, multiplied by numerator of the first fraction, which is equal to 3, plus LCM of the denominator, which is equal to 78, divided by denominator of the second fraction, which is equal to 26, multiplied by numerator of the second fraction, which is equal to 31, plus 78. This is the LCM of the denominator divided by 39. 39 is the denominator of the third fraction multiplied by numerator of the third fraction, which is equal to 85. So it will becomes 18 plus 93 plus 170 upon 78. So it will becomes 281 upon 78, and this will become, after converting it into the mixed fraction, this becomes 3:47 upon 78. Okay. तो इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर हमें क्या करना है, जो हमारा आंसर आया है ये 3:47 अपॉन 78, उसको हमें 8 से सब्ट्रैक्ट भी करके दिखाना है। तो 8 माइनस 281 अपॉन 78 ये किसके बराबर होगा, 624 माइनस 281 अपॉन 78, विच इज़ इक्वल टू 343 अपॉन 78, विच इज़ इक्वल टू 4:31 upon 78. So this is the required mixed fraction, and this will be your answer. Now next question is simplification. 8th question, 2:5 upon 9 minus 3 plus 13 upon 18. So we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. It will becomes 9 multiplied by 2 plus 5 upon 9, which is equal to 23 upon 9, minus 3 plus 13 upon 18. LCM of the denominator is equal to 18. 23 upon 9 minus 3 upon 1 plus 13 upon 18. So we will write down it as in the formula, LCM of the denominator is equal to 18 divided by denominator of the first fraction, which is equal to 9, multiplied by numerator of the first fraction, which is equal to 23, minus LCM of the denominator, which is equal to 18, divided by denominator of the second fraction multiplied by numerator of the second fraction, plus LCM of the denominator, which is equal to 18, divided by denominator of the third fraction, which is equal to 18, multiplied by numerator of the third fraction, which is equal to 13, divided by LCM of the denominator, which is equal to 18. So this will become 46 minus 54 plus 13 upon 18, which is equal to 5 upon 18. This will be your required answer. Now 11th question, 12:5 upon 11 minus 6:17 upon 22 plus 1:10 upon 33. So after converting it into improper fraction, this will become 137 upon 11 minus 149 upon 22 plus 43 upon 33. LCM of the denominator is 66. So after putting the values in this formula of the LCM of the denominator of the fractions and numerator of the fractions, we will get 822 minus 447 plus 86 upon 66, which is the LCM of denominator. So this will equal to 461 upon 66 minus 6:65 upon 66. This will be your required answer. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you. Your exercise 7G is also finished.